Eggs. If anybody eats eggs in the office, I'm always like, who's eating eggs in the office? It like bothers me.
I know, I'm broccoli and Brussels sprouts.
Oh, when I walk in the
And
door
cabbage.
and you've made like that broccoli cauliflower
I know, there's
roast,
smell.
but the house smells like somebody walked in and farted like 100 times.
Well, that's how we feel when you come in the house and
Okay, so I do love egg salad though.
But
So,
today we're gonna do something different.
of course, and this was inspired from your Instagram scrolling.
The internet.
You know when you're like lying in bed and everyone's just like this?
Yes, the scrolling has caused me to see this new recipe for egg salad.
And then sometimes you fall asleep and your phone's on you like this. We all do it.
So you've probably seen this recipe,
So what is it?
which is an egg salad which includes avocados, cottage cheese. Everybody wants more protein in their food.
What's the lettuce for?
You can have it on a lettuce boat.
But we can get some more protein.
That's what you like.
That's what I'm gonna do.
You do you.
I'm gonna do me.
Eggs are already boiled.
Yep.
We just have to do a little chopping and mixing and then we're ready to go. Do you want to chop this avocado?
Sure I do. Ooh, there's a little warmth to it. Why is it warm? You microwaved the avocado?
I did. Because last time we tried to use an avocado, it wasn't ripe.
Why did you think microwaving it would be a good idea? Got a little.
Do not microwave an avocado. The juice of half a lemon and some dill pickles, yeah.
Oh snap! Oh, these are the bites.
Yeah, I got those ones.
Oh snap! Pickles are a convenient, tasty, and on-the-go snack. Then they have a picture of a luggage and somebody in a car driving towards a tree. They're crunchy though.
Dijon mustard.
How much, honey?
Just like a tablespoon.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay. How much mayo?
I'm gonna say like about a quarter cup. And this I will say about half a cup. And then we're just gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Mix that all together. What would you say about this level of creaminess, Giancarlo? Do you add a little bit more mayo or cottage cheese?
Nope, that looks good.
You sure?
I don't know. Let me taste.
Need anything?
I think it's good actually.
You're going to bring over your toast.
What type of lettuce did you pick to make the boat?
I picked romaine.
So that's pretty smart.
Holds its shape. And this is just like a good high protein lunch or snack. And you're getting your greens in too.
Gotta get your greens. So this is the viral egg salad.
If you even want some more protein and you want a little bit of your bread, this is the Country Harvest protein bread. How is it? Good?
I didn't know what the cottage cheese was gonna do. It made it really creamy, but really good. Look at that bite. Huh? How's it in the boat?
Really yummy.
You don't mind it in the boat?
You like it?
I do. This is really good.
Really tasty.
That's another win from the TikTok inspiration or the Instagram inspiration. Then that was pretty easy for you to make.
Yeah, just the time it takes to boil the eggs and chop all the ingredients and you just mix it together. You should try it.
See you next time.
See you.